sampah sembarangan. Udah tahu sampah biang masalah, buang sampah pada tempatnya lah.
Iya ya, kalau bukan kita siapa lagi? Ayo kita buat Jakarta jadi bersih.
Nationwide Authority of Fiji, Mr. Francis Lee, Jakarta Capital City Government officials, the representatives of Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Ministry of Home Affairs, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon and welcome to Balai the City Hall of Jakarta on the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between Jakarta Capital City Government and the National Fire Authority of Fiji. We are going to hear a report from the head of the Department for Fire and Disaster Management of Jakarta,
Excellency ST Kapwi Lati, Ambassador Fiji to Indonesia, Mr. Francis Kin, Chairman of the National Fire Authority of Fiji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Before signing the Memorandum of Understanding, please allow me to report for you. Jakarta Capital City Government through the Indonesian Embassy in Suva, Fiji, received cooperation proposal from the National Fire Authority of Fiji to Jakarta Fire and Disaster Management Department on firefighting and emergency handling. The government of Fiji acknowledged Jakarta Fire and Disaster Management Department as only competencies and experiences to fight fires supported by well-trained personnel as well as sophisticated equipment and facilities. Jakarta Capital City Government welcomes the proposal in accordance with the goals of the Government of the Republic of Indonesia to strengthen bilateral relations with developing countries in the Pacific, particularly Fiji, that always extend its support to Indonesia. Of the Jakarta Fire and Disaster Management Department and the Chairman of the National Fire Authority of Fiji in the headquarters of Jakarta Fire Department. The participation of the National Fire Authority of Fiji in the upcoming firefighting trainings held by the Jakarta Fire Department. Cooperation between two parties, the Memorandum of Understanding will be sent by the Vice Governor of Jakarta.
distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the Chairman of the National Fire Authority of Fiji to the declarative speech, to Mr. Francis Lee.
The Vice Governor of Jakarta Capital City Government, Mr. Basuki Purnam, officials of government and municipality and colleagues of the Jakarta Department of Fire and Disaster Handling. Ladies and gentlemen, Nisa Pulau-Naga, selamat datang, selamat sore. First of all, let me thank you, Your Excellency, the Vice Governor Basuki Purnam, for your very kind words of welcome extended to me and the delegation. It has always been a pleasure visiting your great city, Jakarta. This being my fourth visit. And there is always something happening in the city each time I have visited, demonstrating the vibrancy and growth and most of all the dynamic leadership that wishes to transform Jakarta into a fully international and most of all livable city in Southeast Asia. I congratulate you, Mr. Vice Governor, with our well wishes for the future. Today, however, marks an important milestone in the relationship between Fiji and Indonesia, which diplomatically has spanned 40 years since August last year. The signing of the MOU between the two fire stations is yet another building block to the already durable and friendly relations that we have so far forged as government and as peoples. It is a significant event following at the heels of the recent visit to Fiji in June of His Excellency Dr. Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, President of Indonesia, where he witnessed with my Prime Minister signing of 5 MOUs and 1 letter of intent. I have no doubt that he will be happy that we are contributing to build on that commitment as leaders in exploring new and innovative ways of deepening our friendship and consolidating our relations. The MOU that we signed will no doubt assist our fire and emergency services in profound ways, in light of the size of the department and the many and varied experience of firefighters, which would be of tremendous value to our home. We are indeed looking forward to cooperating with you in sharing of experiences and exchanging of personnel, as well as to maximize on your training and upskilling programs, the center of which I had the privilege of visiting in 2004. Our work is no longer confined to fighting fires and protecting the lives and properties of our people. It is now varied and increasingly becoming complex, given the variety of disasters that our world is now prone, calling for the multi-skilling of our personnel. To aid them and become more effective, our men also need to be protected and be afforded the kind of equipment to help them. We look to our more developed and experienced friends, such as Indonesia, for this. And I am sure that the MOU we will sign is the first step to make this happen over time. The role carried out by our firefighters in Fiji has been expanded to include the management of disaster, and we are currently reviewing our legislations to support this expanded role. We note that the Jakarta Department of Fire and Disaster Handling has been managing disaster for some time, and we hope to learn from your experience in the review of our legislations. In closing, may I again thank Your Excellency for your personal interest that has led to this momentous occasion, and for your hard-working staff as well as those of your Fire and Disaster Handling Department, the Interior Ministry, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for making it happen. With them comes my best wishes that the officials concerned will coordinate closely to see its implementation. Excellency, your office would already be in frantic mood in anticipation for October 30, when reins of the presidency of the great nation of Indonesia will be handed over to Governor His Excellency Joko Widodo. At the same time, also, you shall also be assuming the high office as the Governor of Jakarta. We consider this moment fortuitous to be able to extend to you both in the eve of this great change our hearty congratulations and sincere good wishes. Indonesia and Jakarta capital city government will not be the same again, with God granting you both the wisdom and the courage to lead and make huge positive difference for the sake of the great people. Terima kasih.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, now we kindly request the Vice Governor of Jakarta Capital City Government to deliver his speech. Mr. Basuki Cahayapurnama.
Yang saya hormati Menteri Luar Negeri dan kali ini wakili dari Kemenlu, Mahfud atau Naha. Your Excellency, Ambassador Fiji, Mr. Gafurati, Your Excellency, Mr. Francis King, Head of the Ministry of Fire of Fiji, and all the staff, Bapak Ibu yang hadir, good afternoon. Salam sejahtera untuk semua. First, we want to say welcome to our city hall. We also very proud have this MOU today because we believe we could enhance each other about our experience for fire and disaster handling in our country. Most of us, frankly speaking, we have many fire accidents in Jakarta because many have squatter and slum area. That's a little bit problem for us. And many accidents because at night most of the road is occupied by illegal parking. That's why sometimes our fire car could not get in the area because too many car parking in the area, including many vendor street, put their things in the street. That's why I think one is to need the technology and the discipline. One is we have to give a law enforcement to clean the road in the area that have opportunity to get fire. That's why I believe this afternoon the signing of this MOU not end in the signing of the MOU, but good implementation in our parts of the country. And once again, thank you for this cooperation together. We believe we could get some many advantages from both sides, and we believe what's important for us is the good relationship with Fiji and Jakarta, Indonesia. The way you say Jakarta, Indonesia, because next month our governor will be president. He sent a letter to Fiji government. So he asked me to make this cooperation happen because this is the president signed MOU before, and we believe Joko Widodo will continue this agreement. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the signing moment of the Memorandum of Understanding. We would like to kindly request the Vice Governor of Jakarta. And then we also can request the souvenir given from the Republic of Fiji to the Governor of Jakarta. This will be the souvenir given from the And next week, we want to have a photo session together, all together with Indonesia, the Chairman of the National Fire of the LPG, the representatives of Ministry for Foreign Affairs and Ministry for Home Affairs, and also the Asper Sekretaris Daerah Mr.
Nanti jangan maju bang, mau pakai mic. Bang munduran bang.
Oh, kurang
Pak,
maju.
maju pak. Ya pak.
Ya, ini kan memang satu kelanjutan dari MOU dilakukan oleh Pak Presiden SBY kan. Ya, mereka ingin mengirim personel untuk kita training. Ya, mereka Jakarta ini pengalaman. Karena hampir tiap hari itu ada kebakaran Jakarta sebetulnya. Setahun itu apa? 6.000 Pak ya? Udah turun ya Pak? Udah turun ya? Sekarang berapa Pak? Kemarin
200-an.
sekarang 1 tahun.
1 tahun masih di bawah tadi.
Berapa?
12.900-an.
Nah, itu udah lumayan. Udah turun, tapi sebenarnya kalau untuk kawasan-kawasan yang kumuh kita bereskan, nah ini bisa. Justru mereka ingin belajar dari kita. Hal-hal apa saja yang bisa membuat kawasan itu jadi terbakar gitu kan. Selain konsep listrik macam-macam, termasuk penolongan kepada korban. Misalnya contoh, PKL meletakkan gerobak bakti sembarangan di gang, di rumah-rumah yang sempit. Termasuk warga yang memarkirkan mobilnya karena nggak punya garasi, itu kebakaran itu mobil kita nggak bisa masuk. Nah ini kan pengalaman-pengalaman ini yang bisa kita siapkan dengan pemerintahan Fiji untuk mengatasi kebakaran. Kerjasamanya training. Udah, ini kirim ke kita ya. Kalau kirim ke kita, kita latih. Jadi nanti orang-orang dari Fiji bisa melihat kesulitannya di mana. Karena mereka langsung terjun masuk ke tim pemadam untuk belajar. Menurut saya maaf Fiji.
Thank you. We see a lot of similarities in the operations of our National Fire Authority back home in Fiji and similarly to here in Jakarta, Indonesia. As you heard in the speech, we've actually expanded our roles from the directive of government from purely firefighting services to one that is geared towards also saving lives. So our operations now similar in some ways to the fire department here in Indonesia, in that we are also involved in emergency services. There's a various tasks under emergency services, and that's where we are heading towards in our operations back home in Fiji.
Kita juga bisa kirim instruktur ke sana sih.
I have been informed that this will depend on the goodwill of our counterparts here in Indonesia. But briefly, I have been told that within a couple of months, I believe towards the end of October, we should be seeing 2 of our Fijian firefighters coming over for training here in your lovely city, Jakarta, Indonesia. I think the signing of the memorandum of understanding this afternoon is a momentous occasion for both governments. As I heard in the speech, recently we had the visit of His Excellency, the former Vice President, Mr. Yudhoyono, to Fiji last year. We have filed a memorandum of understanding of signed also one letter of intent. So this is another addition to a strong relationship that we are building between the Fiji government and also the government of Indonesia.
Ya, Bapak Bejo.
akan melatih mereka bagaimana kemudian juga bagaimana beresiko menyelamatkan manusia ataupun harta benda dari baik lain. Jadi mereka nanti dilatih di Muslimat, kemudian juga kita ikutkan dalam drill experience. Jadi mereka bisa ikut ketika terjadi dalam kebakaran, dia ikut berangkat dengan kita untuk bisa mengalami bagaimana memadamkan langsung kebakaran di Jakarta. Oktober ini.
At the moment, benchmark that we try to set for ourselves is 0 fires anymore. But unfortunately, that number has never been succeeded. At the moment, we have about 70 fires as we speak from 1st January 2014.
Kindly invite the Vice Governor of Jakarta, City Government, and the President of Indonesia, and also the Chairman of the National Parliament of Fiji, and all officials of Jakarta City Government to please enjoy the refreshment of the fire.